In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform Excel data into a visual report with Power BI. We'll take a simple data set you already use in Excel and turn it into a clear, interactive visual inside Power BI. You'll follow along in the desktop app, and by the end, you'll have a chart that helps you spot trends and communicate insights quickly. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load the interface. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the blank report canvas in the middle and panels along the right side. If this is your first time launching it, the layout might feel busy, but don't worry, we'll focus only on what you need today. Now open your report file that's already connected to your Excel data. Use File, then Open and pick your .pbx report. When it loads, look to the right for the fields list. You should see the tables and columns that came from your Excel workbook. If you don't see them, expand the table names to reveal the columns. This confirms your Excel data is available to build visuals. On the right sidebar, find the Visualizations pane. This is where all chart types live: columns, bars, lines, pies, maps, and more. It also includes the slots where you'll place your fields like axis, values, and legend. Keep an eye on this pane. It's the control center for creating and shaping your visual. Choose a chart that matches the story you want to tell. For comparisons across categories, a clustered column chart is a solid choice. For trends over time, a line chart works well. Click the chart icon you want, and a blank visual will appear on the canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners so it has room to breathe. Shift your attention to your data on the right. You'll use the fields list to feed information into the visual. If your Excel file has sheets like sales or inventory, those will appear as tables, with the columns underneath. Hover over a column to see its data type: dates, numbers, or text, which helps you decide where it belongs in the visual. Drag the fields to populate the chart. For example, drag a date field to the axis to create a timeline, a numeric field like sales to values to plot the measure, and a category to legend to split the lines or bars by group. If the numbers don't look right, click the field in values and adjust the aggregation: sum, average, or count. You can also sort the chart, turn on data labels, and rename the visual's title so it's crystal clear. When the visual reflects your Excel data accurately and reads well at a glance, you're done.